Yun lamang po, maraming salamat po.
Do you get your point, Robin?
Pamahalang ko po.
The manifestation of Senator Judge Padilla is
Tinatakot ba kayo? Natatakot ba kayo? Tuloy. Wait, tuloy.
noted. What is the pleasure of Senator Judge
Mr.
Cayetano?
Presiding
Alan?
Officer, Rule 6 of the impeachment proceedings is that the rules of the Senate is suppletory, and if there is anything that affects the honor, integrity, or the functions of us individually or as a Senate here as an impeachment court, someone can rise on a question of personal or collective privilege. I won't do that, but may I just respond to what Senator Padilla said, since my name was mentioned and since the investigation announced by the NBI yesterday seems to be pertaining to this person as chairman of the 2019 organizing committee of the Southeast Asian Games. May I, maybe in the form of manifestation, unless the presiding officer or Senate President thinks that I should elaborate on by asking for time on a personal collective privilege, but I don't want to start that.
Senator Judge Cayetano may make his manifestation. For the record, sir.
So, first and foremost, sa sinabi po ni Senator Padilla, I won't ask na ipa-play na yung video, but quite exhaustive yung sinabi ni NBI Director about the Southeast Asian Games. So, if the intention was to have a chilling effect, we already have that chilling effect. May 11, hinabol dito sa session hall na to ng mga ahente ng NBI, si Senator Bato. May 13, nagkaroon ng enkwentro, putukan, pinipilit ng NBI na hindi sa loob ng Senado, but we have all the evidence that it was inside the Senate. Other
tao niyo yung nagpaputok
incidents, I do not want to evoke a reaction or debate because I want to respect my fellow senators. Much of this has been vented.
Ano sinabi ng ombudsman doon? Sabi ng ombudsman doon, guys, si Aplaska daw, nagpapaputok sa hangin. Wala raw siyang kabarilan. O tapos, pinatakas niya si Bato de la Rosa.
In the media, is in court. Director Matibag has promised us that he will give us a warrant issued by the ICC, has promised us that he will hold his agents na nanggulpin ng isang USAA. He will be the one to implement the contempt order and hold them in his office, but wala ditong natupad. So when I mentioned his name, his position the other day that it was bad taste, walang personal yun. I mean, regardless kung sinong, even if it was a secretary, an alter ego of the president who wrote the execution team or the defense team to say, pwede bang next week kasi may seminar, I would have said the same thing, di ba? Na, look at the gallery. Kompleto parati dyan from Congressman Ace Barbers to many, Congressman Ridon, I won't name all of you, but you're busy people. But you think this is important, so you take time out and you are here. Di ba? Of course, the prosecution team, you have to be, you are here. We are here. Despite of many, many other important things, not only investigations, not only the flood control, not only the BIR, not only, we're also talking about the nation being prone to volcanic eruption, to yung bagyo, buti, well, nasalanta pa rin tayo ng bagyong Inday, ibang Inday ang pinag-uusapan natin dito sa impeachment. But still, we are here. So it was in good faith that I said, as an example, mukha namang masama kapag yung isang bureau head, NBI director is a very important position, but it is a bureau. So if a bureau head, and tignan yung invitation, nakalagay sa invitation, or your representative, and we resolved it. So aksidente ba na yesterday, suddenly after I mentioned it, and after during the weekend, many have been talking about na dapat ata hindi 16. So 21 na lang kami ngayon eh. So 2/3 of 21 is 7. Pag nabawasan pa kami ng 3, 13 na lang yon. Pero some will argue, mabawasan lang kami ng 1 o 2, baka 13 na rin yon kasi wala naman half person o 3/4 person. So all of these issues are valid. Question, the chilling effect is there, but am I intimidated? Wala na akong choice. Ilalabang ko na to, gagawin ko yung dapat kong gawin. Bumaliktad man yung sitwasyon, si President Marcos ang ini-impeach and I felt a certain way, ilalabang ko rin. Chief Justice man ang i-impeach, ilalabang ko rin. But for the record, Mr. President, go ahead and investigate. First of all, that's been investigated many, many times.
Hindi pa.
So, I'm not sure. I think the Office of the Ombudsman.
Hindi pa.
Chief of Staff mo. Senator Rob, I'm not sure, but parang may kaso na nun. Senator Drilon quizzed us here. I was Speaker of the House, but I chose to appear before the Senate to be able to answer all of those questions directly. The SEA Games, paulit-ulit yan. Biktima na ng speakership ng 2019 yan. Nahuli namin yung PR na sinabi kikiam, pinakain daw mga Muslim ng baboy, when it was chicken longganisa na pinakain. Pero nasiraan na tayo sa Malaysia, Indonesia. The SEA Games gave us so much honor. So far, it's still the biggest SEA Games in history. Many of our athletes launched their career, even going to gold medals in the Olympics. Our athletic and our yung aquatic natin center in Clark is one of the best in the world. Ang nagsabi nito yung Israeli coach ng isang foreign team doon. But go ahead if you want to investigate. But I just want to put on record, mukhang misfire. Bakit? Yung sinasabi niyang infrastructure na walang bidding, first of all, the procurement law has many modes of procurement. So don't make it appear sa public na just because walang bidding, may anomalya na to. Okay. Secondly, bakit ko sinabing misfire? Hindi po sa I'm referring to the director ng NBI Matibag. I had nothing to do with the infrastructure. The chairman of the committee. In fact, I had to resign from the DFA because I was running for congressman during the time. So dun sa sinasabi ni Director Matibag na may congressional insertion to fund it,
Okay.
it's definitely not me because how could a non-member of the Senate or non-member of the House insert anything? Okay. Dun sa sinasabi niyang infrastructure, it was done by the BCDA. The chairman of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors of the president now. The president of the BCDA is one of the closest advisors and is a secretary now. And he said, medyo kaduda tong kumpanya na nanalo walang bidding. If I'm not mistaken, it's the same company who's making the City Hall of Pasig. So, I mean, if they want to investigate, go ahead. But by mentioning the organizing committee of the SEA Games, ako po chairman nun. At paninindigan ko po na napakaganda nung nangyari doon. At kung may anomalya, ako unang magagalit. So, go ahead.
Hindi ka naman nagalit eh.
My point,
Anomalya
Mr.
naman
Chairman,
talaga.
honorable members of the court,
Overpriced
sa
kasi.
prosecution. To be fair sa prosecution at marami akong kaibigan, I've never felt any intimidation from any of you. I mean, you've continued to be either friends or for those who are former friends, but friends. I mean, I don't know if nagkamali lang ako, but on the first day, I nodded ng konti kay Senator De Lima. Gumanong din siya, hindi ko alam kung acknowledge because we were friends once upon a time and this is a court. We owe it to each other to be professional, di ba? So wag tayong pumayag na someone like Director Matibag would do that. My point, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer, he could have not announced it and investigated. Imbestigahan mo, tingin mo may mali, imbestigahan mo. But it is unfair to me and unfair to the court that kung kailan siya patatawag siya sa Monday, ano, intimidate mo ako, hindi kita tatanungin sa Monday dahil mag-a-announce ka na iimbestigahan mo. Tapos sasabihin mo may insertion, tapos sasabihin mo hindi liquidated po lahat yun. So let me talk of unfairness. Hindi ba unfair? Kung ako babalik rin ko, sasabihin ko, inimbestigahan ko na rin kahapon eh. Ang sabi sa akin, mainit ang ulo ni Director Matibag kasi may contractor na daw yung binigay na lupa para sa NBI at gusto niya sarili niyang contractor. So would that be fair to him? No, it would be a marites accusation. So that's the same thing he announced yesterday. A marites accusation towards me.
Okay.
That affects this court because I am now a senator judge. So I hope this is the last time that I'm going to have to speak about this.
Ay, mukhang
But
malabo.
definitely, we've been speaking about this. Binabawasan talaga kami. Iniisa-isa. Even yung mga vlogger na malapit sa administrasyon, sabi, 2 down, 3 down, may kasunod na. Di ba? So, Mr. President, I want this impeachment to be a test that the 1987
Sinong vlogger
Constitution
yan?
works.
Sabihin mo!
And that despite political differences, the prosecution and defense, I saw them after the first or second day, nagkakamayan kayo.
Sinong vlogger yan?
Nagkakamustahan.
Sabihin mo, dali!
After the first or second day nung mainit na balik-taktakan dyan sa pre-trial, nagbabatian, di ba? Even in court. So we can't help but be emotional. We can't help but get mad at what we think is disgusting or sometimes crossing the line. But is there any question that for this verdict, whether it's for conviction or acquittal, to be accepted by the Filipino people, we have to make sure that the integrity of the court is intact. I will admit to you, nahirapan po ako. Wala si Senator Marcoleta. Iilan lang po kaming abogado dito. Si Senator Pangilinan, Senator Cheese, si Aimee is a law graduate, di ba?
Pia.
Senator Pia, Bam is a second-year law student and I'm encouraging him na tapusin niya. Total review na yung nangyayari ngayon. But it's not easy. 24 lang kami, nabawasan na ng 3. So I hope this issue
Pero
of
kasi
the
yung kriminal.
integrity of the court becomes an issue
Susunod ka
for
pa.
all of us. No, I'll repeat what I said when I was Senate President. Director, hindi mo kami natibag. So wag mo try itibagin tong representation na to o itong impeachment court because what you're doing is not helping. Investigate whatever you want to investigate. You want to investigate ba't ako nagpatubo ng balbas? Investigate mo, no problem with me. Pero wag mo nang i-announce kasi nga naaapektuhan yung integrity ng court. Thank you for the leeway, Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano.
Ang weird no, no? So anong gusto mo? Hindi mag-comment mga tao sa mga sinasabi sa balita? I don't understand. Ini-interview siya nun eh. So, hindi ko naiintindihan bakit may ganun. Kung bakit may ganyan reaction si Alan Peter. I don't get it.
Yes, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Pia Cayetano?
Mr. President, Presiding Officer, I assume most of my colleagues, like me, were busy studying the lengthy memorandum filed by each of the parties. For the record, 30 plus pages, more or less double space yung sa prosecution. Kaya by the time I got to the defense, para na ako maduduling kasi mahaba na nga yung 30 pages na double space, napunta pa ako sa single space. Okay lang yun, kasama sa trabaho.
Hihingal
Pero
na naman si Pia.
That's how lengthy the documents were.
Pia!
And I slept at 2 a.m. Hindi kasama to sa
Tapos
explanation
na
ko. Hindi ako
ka
naglalabang
na.
or anything. It's a job. And I'm a night person, so normal sa akin yun. And then in the morning, tuloy ulit, sent my staff questions, asked for more details, and then we worked together throughout the morning until it was time to come here. So I don't know anything about the statement of Director Matibag. But it bothers me to hear this. I now remember that I saw a message pop up in my phone which hindi ko nga pinansin kasi nga ito yung important issue ko na pag-aralan ko tong memorandum ng mga parties na inabala nga naman nilang very lengthily and exhaustively na nila dinidiscuss in a written document. But I recall now na may nag-pop up na message from a coach telling me na gustong paimbestigahan yung SEA Games. And hindi ko talaga pinansin. And now Alan brings it up and I'm
Naintindihan ko yan.
bothered. There is no jurisdiction in the world that allows a judge to be pressured and intimidated.
Sino kaya yung coach na yun? Baka hindi ako yun. Wala mo na akong contact kay PA eh. O baka baka, kasi di ba kagabi nagla-livestream tayo, pinakita ko yung balita ni News 5. Tapos sinend sa kanya. Oo, baka sinend sa kanya yun. Pero parang, ewan ko. Kamusta ka na, Pia? Okay ka ba? Anyway, ang weird So, na-feel nyo na ini-intimidate kayo? Yun ang na-feel nyo?
There is no jurisdiction in the world that allows a judge to be pressured and intimidated.
Ba't kayo?
And I ask each one of you, my dear colleagues, payag ba tayo sa ganito? Ganito na ba tayo dito ngayon? Don't we want a better country for our children? Why would you allow a director who's just called to be a witness next week brag that he's going to investigate? And again, I don't know. So I respectfully request that it be played. Because I want to understand. If I don't have reason to be upset, then thank you. I can focus. I can go back to the business on hand. But right now, I'm upset to hear this. And I will stand up for each one of you. I don't care what side you're on. I will stand up for you if somebody tries to intimidate you. So with all due respect,
Hindi ko gets.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I ask that we play it. I want to see what this witness is doing.
Hindi ko gets. Ba't kayo nagagalit? Ba't nafe-feel nyo na intimidate kayo? Hindi ko gets. Anong meron? Okay.
Senator Judge Pangilinan is
We'd like to place on record that the good NBI director will be here on Monday. So my initial view is that we should be able to do this on Monday. But I will yield to the ruling of the chair.
we thank the understanding magnanimity of Senator Judge Pangilinan and request
Video, okay.
Meron kaming mga kaso na bago na tingnan. Malala nyo, pumunta kami ng Clark because we were given 70 hectares per dado.
So, interview pala. So, hindi siya nagyayabang, ini-interview siya. At nagkataon lang na nakarating sa inyo yung balita na iimbestigahan yung kaldero ng SEA Games. So, kung wala naman palang mali, walang ginawang illegal, ba't nagre-react? Diba? Naghahanap ako kanina kung naimbestigahan na ba yun, parang hindi pa eh. Wait, hanapin ko Parang wala pang seryosong investigation. Baka Senate hearing meron, pero walang seryosong investigation yata. Ano nga natin? Wait, Ombudsman. Wala eh. Wala investigation sa SEA Games, Coldron. As usual, sasabihin ng Ombudsman, nag-iimbestiga sila. Wait, tingnan natin. Video. Wait. December 9, sabi ng Ombudsman, iimbestigahan daw. Si Martires. Wala mangyayari dito. Wala mangyayari dito. Martires pala eh. Wala mangyayari dito. Wala nangyari dito, malamang. Fact-finding investigation, sabi. Wala nangyari to. For sure, wala nangyari dito. Basta si Martires, wala mangyayari dyan. Meron ba kayo na nabalita ang may kinasuhan? Wala, di ba? Malamang hindi to iimbestigahan, mga kababayan, kasi sinabi na ni Digong daw na walang corruption. So, yan, sabi nyo, no corruption daw. Sabi niya. There can never be corruption in that situation because you commissioned a national artist. Talaga? Wala, talaga. Parang hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Kahit pa kinomission mo yung national artist dyan, dapat, syempre, mag-ibibid mo yung construction mismo. Tapos, unliquidated daw. Ay, oo, parang unliquidated nga to. Maraming issue yan eh. Ayan, 2.7 billion pesos. Ang unliquidated dyan. Laki. Saan nila pupunta yan? Ayan, 2020. 2.7 billion pesos, mga kababayan. Unliquidated pa. Hindi, nakaano pa yung hearing, pero naka-break eh. So, sinasamantala ko lang itong pagkakataon na to. Ayan, 3 billion unliquidated. Laki, COA to. Kaya natatakot si Alan Peter. Kasi hindi to na-imbestigahan noong 2019 hanggang 2020. Nakalimutan na to noong panahon ni Digong eh. Actually, kung di nga lang binanggit to kahapon, di ko maaalala. Oo, kung dito na ano kahapon, nakalimutan ko na talaga to eh. Pero laki nito, 2 billion. Kanina napunta yung 2 billion na yan, bakit hindi liquidated? Isang taon na Hindi pa rin siya na li-liquidate. Grabe. Tapos sasabihin ni Digong, no corruption, baliw. Kaya ka nakakulong ngayon eh. Kaya siya nakakulong ngayon dahil dyan eh. Oo. Grabe to. Pero natawa ako dun sa yung meron doon nag-message siya. Baka may nag-send sa kanya nung live stream natin, nung screenshot ng live stream natin na pinakita ko yung picture na iimbestigahan siya ni Matibag. Well, ganun talaga. Hinahabol ka na ngayon ng mga kalokohan mo, Alan Peter. Oo, for sure. No joke, no joke. Kinakabahan to ngayon, guys, si Alan Peter. Kabado to ngayon. Well, eto ngayon yung ganap sa sa hearing, suspended pa rin. So, ano sabi kanina, mga 30 minutes. Mga 30 minutes. So, balik tayo after 30 minutes. Ako pala may kasalanan. Hindi natin alam. We don't know. Oo. Ay, nako. Pero, binaligtad na yung kaldero, nasa ilalim na yung apoy. Be ready. Baka ko naman pag-initan ng magkapatid. Saan nila ako pag-iinitan, Jennifer? Good luck. Basta ako, isa lang sasabihin ko kay Alan Peter. Kay Pia pala. Si Pia, kakamustahin ko lang siya. Pia, kamusta ka na? Kakantahan ko pa siya. Pia! Kamusta ka na? Diyos ko. Tapos, kapag nag-Senate hearing, sasabihin ko lang, nakita ko sa online eh. Nakita ko sa balita, pinakita ko sa live stream ko, yun lang. Tapos kapag tinrigger pa niya ako ng tinrigger, gusto ko lang na isang pagkakataon na mamura ko siya. Kahit makonte pa, wala akong pake. Ay, naka. Buti naman kung iimbestigahan na yung SEA Games. Tagal na yan. Dapat noon pa yan. Susunod si 10K kay 2K. Anyway, dami ko na si Robin. Pwede naman.